everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we have on the ground. This is a 2019 6x14 single axle off-road trailer in a matte black Blackout package. This one does have the diamond plate rock art along the bottom and the nice big diamond plate corners right there. You guys can see you also have a front generator platform, removable heavy-duty front coupler, and a side swivel jack. This one's stock number 14672. Side door does come with double lock protection, so you guys have the RV lock and cam bar. You've got a gutter over that side door, and then also an LED spotlight, which is going to give you guys great light off this side of the trailer. This one's also equipped with power, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right there. 3,500-pound torsion axle, 32-inch mudterrain tire, black American racing wheel, and a black diamond plate fender. You guys are going to have somewhere between 20 and 24 inches worth of ground clearance with this unit, so really you can get these off-road and have some fun. With that torsion axle, it's also going to give you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer, so they're going to ride really well. And then we also have the exterior all aluminum roof rack on this unit. This is, I believe, a 5x6 roof rack. Don't quote me on that, but you've got a nice big rack up there for some external storage, and then a ladder right there to access that. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does come with spring assist close. This one also has the rear deck option on it, so you guys can take this and put those stabilizer jacks down, fold it out, and it becomes a parallel surface for you guys, so you can have some exterior living space. You also have the really cool black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb with this unit, which is nice. It just ties it all together. Gutter, and then also an LED spotlight load light. You guys can angle those down more too if needed and really get some good light off the back of the trailer here for loading and unloading at night. I'm going to back up and give you guys a nice side shot because this trailer is sweet. I love the matte black Blackout. Now, switch for this load light is right here off the ramp door, so you guys can drop this ramp and immediately get some load light, which is really nice. 6'6" interior height, insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This one also is equipped with the nudo floor with dry max, so you guys have the great performing floor on top. Underneath is a dry max product that does not absorb the water or moisture, so much better than having plywood underneath your trailer. Two 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, they are lockable, so you guys can have some nice cross ventilation but be able to keep your trailer secure at the same time. E-track in each of the walls. That's an awesome option right there because it gives you guys a lot of tie down points, but it also allows you to have some surfaces to build bunks and shelving and whatever else you want off of that E-track. 4 D-rings ready to go in the floor as well, so great for tying down whatever you guys are going to stick in here. 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights. Now these lights are going to run off your power package, which is this right here. It's a 30 amp box. You've got a nice big long cord. You take that cord, pop it right through the floor. You can go into your generator or your extension cord or campground. That's going to power up all of your interior outlets as well as your AC unit with a heat strip and your big 4-foot LEDs. Now this one's also equipped with a battery and a battery charger, which is very nice because that battery is going to run your interior puck lights, which are these guys right here, which are super bright little LED lights. It's also going to flip on and run your 2 exterior spots off the side door and the ramp door. So that's really nice. You don't have to be plugged into a vehicle. You don't have to have a generator running, especially if you guys are dry camping and you don't want to hear a generator, to be able to have light at night. So that's a really nice option. Plus you've got another power source in here to tie into if you want for future needs. Now all of your switches are located right here. The single one is going to flip on these internal LEDs right here, and then your double is going to flip on your 4-foot LEDs and the one outside the side door right there, that spot. Then that second spot is back here at the ramp door. And it does look like 4 interior outlets, so you've got plenty of outlets to plug stuff in as well. And again, 6'6" interior height, plus you have a max air roof vent right here. This has a bubble cover over it, so you guys can have that open, not worry about it leaking water in on your items inside, or if you guys forget to close it before you drive home, you don't have to worry about ripping off the roof vent cover. So nice option there as well. This unit's on sale for $12,477 plus tax. Gives you guys a great start if you guys want to use this for camping. It's a great versatile trailer. Plus with the off-road package, you guys can really get off-road and have some fun. So here it is. We are the exclusive off-road trailer dealer, and you can give us a call at 303-688-8485. You can always view our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We have shipping options available for you guys. If you don't live near us, that's okay. We ship trailers all over the country all the time. We can get you guys a shipping quote. Just give us a call, and we would love to earn your business. Again, 303-688-8485.